Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're here at FuelFest Tampa, and we're having a good time. We're here with XCOMP tires. We have the V is right here. We have Corey Hosford's S14, Boss S14, and we have Jeff Stein's XCOMP CTS-V as well. The XCOMP CTS-V is equipped with the entire catalog of Stansco parts. It's equipped with basically the full Stansco catalog, and they're running it with success. We got a couple tandem laps in so far. We're just feeling it out. The event technically hasn't even really started for the public yet. They're just kind of coming in, but there's like 70 drivers out here, and everyone's getting after it. There's gonna be a lot of tandem runs. I'll put the video in right here, but Jeff was supposed to chase me. We were supposed to run two cars, and in turn one, I look in my mirror, and Rad Dan's super headlights in it. It scared the crap out of me. It felt like I was running for my life, so I'll put that in here. Just chased me, and that was terrifying. Holy crap. But I feel like hearing his 2J literally on my shit, I just had to lock in, and I was having trouble extending it on that way back. I could probably shift up, but then I run the risk of the car backing down and straightening out. So I'd rather just let it run out as long as I can, and then I just handbraked again. And I mean, Dan was there. He was there. I mean, he's a pro driver. He knows how to react when the lower power cars in front of him. That was insane. Holy crap. But the V's running good so far. We're running the XCOMP HP tires. It's a 200 tread wear tire, but we're running 245s in the front. We don't typically run 245s, we run 235s in the front, but it's working. We are rubbing a little bit on the fender, but as long as it's the fender, it's all good. It doesn't matter. We are going to take some tire pressure out though, because this surface is pretty slick, and I was surprised. The track has a big sweeper on the back side of it, and I'm just struggling to kind of float the car out. I'm running out of wheel speed. Car's hitting limiter, running out of wheel speed and grip. So I'm hoping that takes some tire pressure out, and I'll have more grip to shoot it out to the far back corner and do that whole turn without clipping that turn, the apex of that turn short. So we're just gonna keep having a good time here. I'll see what I record today when we get on camera. There are so many XCOMP cars here running XCOMP tires all throughout the event, and they have a sweet setup here with the trailer and all that, so we're just having a good time. So we'll see if we can get into it. I'll have the GoPro on my helmet all day, and we're gonna turn a lot of laps. God damn. What's up, brother?
What up, man?
How you doing?
Fucking killing it. Those fucking bumps, though, man.
Dude, the bumps are killing me.
I know.
Yeah. It's like when you hit them, the whole car is
I know,
just...
it fucking reacts.
Yeah. That was a good one.
I recorded the whole thing! Yes!
That was a good one. That was a fast one.
All right, so as you guys know, we have my car here. Oh my God, so loud. Wow, this line is... The line is something. All right, but then over here, we have Jeff's car. This is the XCOMP demo car. They have the Stansco angle kit, but then they have our handbrake line kit. They have their own handbrake mount. They went with a crazy custom mount there. So that's our line kit that comes out to the rear, and then they have our dual caliper bracket, which is actually one of the pictures I use on my website. But they have our dual caliper bracket. So dual caliper bracket, angle kit, extended brake lines in the front, and then our handbrake line kit in the rear. And don't forget to send it with Stansco right there. Look at that. They even got the CTS-V floor mats. This car is also supercharged. It's got a little baby Magnuson on it, the Magnuson that they used to sell for these cars back in the day. I'm sure the guy, and he also has a V2 rear end, second gen V subframe and diff. I am sure that the guy that sold them this car, that babied this car, did not expect that it was going to turn into this. So it's sick. It's cool to see it out here. We're going to get some good laps together today. So that concludes FuelFest Tampa. The V ripped non-stop all day. And the craziest thing, I'll show you guys tomorrow when the sun's out. I never changed tires. We did easy 20 some laps all day. And I'm literally, I can still go bring those tires to West Palm next weekend. We got a lot of good laps in with Jeff's V, and Corey jumped in on some, and then some randos. We were just giving a bunch of ride-alongs. It was cool because a lot of people, it was their first time in a drift car. Every time someone got in, like, is this your first time in a drift car? 9 times out of 10 it was. And it was really cool because I remember the first time I rode in a drift car. It was a cool feeling, and to have people be able to experience that in my car, it was neat. It was a good experience. So next weekend, we're going to West Palm Beach with the XCOMP guys and their whole team. And we're going to be doing some more Cadillac driving, Cadillac tandems, and we're going to run it back. So thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm not even going to take this car off the trailer this week. We're gonna go home, and we're gonna leave it hooked up, and then we'll be off to the track next weekend. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We got to load up and get out of here. We got a long drive home. I'll see you guys in the next video.